Alright, here we are again, doing what we love to do. We are in Franconia Ridge State Park, and we are doing the Franconia Ridge Loop, the Lincoln Lafayette Loop today, the most popular hike in New Hampshire. So there's going to be a lot of people today. Gonna be busy, real busy. But we'll make the best of it. Epic views at the peak on a beautiful day. All right, it's about a 9.3 mile hike and filled with epic views. See you on the trail, right, Papa? Yeah, go bold. All right, first sign. We're taking Falling Waters Trail up, and we'll meet right back here. Take an old bridle path down that would complete the loop. So here we go. 3 miles to the ridge, 4 miles to Lafayette.
Hi! Oh, I'm thinking too.
Really beautiful, huh? Unbelievable. That's why we do it. That's why we do it. Right, bub? Yeah, mountain goat. Yeah, just climbing up these slabs now. Really nice. It's my style. Straight up. Nice views. You can see it's just all the way up. The reason why they call it Falling Waters Trail. Just a beautiful trail. Probably one of my favorites, that's for sure. Tough to pick a favorite one, but if you're picking this one, it's a damn good pick. Whew. All right, here we go. Oh, good boy. It's very windy now, but at least it's a nice little breather. Keeping up with him, I get so winded. He's just he's a mountain goat. It's unbelievable. Getting out for his views.
He's got a camera.
Smile. I was. Here you go, bro. Just about at the peak of Little Haystack. Liberty over there. Beautiful. Leaving the peak of Haystack. Kind of hoping the wind blows these clouds out and get some views. It's kind of looking like that. You can see the sun peeking out over there, so let's hope. It's Lafayette way over there. I mean, it's in the clouds. So we'll take our time and hopefully it blows out. Really beautiful still though, even with the clouds. Okay, we're on the famous Franconia Ridge. It's cold. It's gotta be it's the low 50s up here right now with the wind, but it feels really nice with all the humidity we've been having in the Northeast the past couple of weeks. So I don't mind being a little cold. Gets me thinking about fall foliage. But these are the views you get on the ridge. Just gorgeous, gorgeous 360 views. Got the Chewy GoPro going, soaking it in. I mean, the clouds kind of rushing up the side of the mountains. It's pretty cool. You don't see that all the time, but I don't want it to interfere with our views. So we'll see how it goes. It's looking pretty grim at the peak here. This is gonna be Mount Lincoln we're going up to. All right. See if there's any views at the peak. I'm gonna say no. That's final push to the peak of Lincoln. Some nice little up and down climbs here. Fun stuff. Chewy loves it. It says mountain goat time. Woo. Wind is blowing. Today. All right, well, I'm not going to spend any time at the peak since we really can't see anything. So we're just going to make our way to Lafayette. So the clouds just swirling up over. Look at that. Just that's the only cool thing I can look at. But look, if you go on the lower peaks, you got views. We're over 5,000 feet, and we're not going to get anything. So all our views are going to be on the way down from Lafayette. We'll get some really nice views of the ridge line, but this isn't going to blow out in time for me to enjoy the last peak. Well, we're at the peak of Lafayette. It's a total whiteout. So we're not staying up there. I'm gonna spread my dad's ashes at the peak real quick, and then we'll just get going. And hopefully, when we get a little lower, we'll get some views at the lower elevation. It's cold up here, very cold, especially after sweating. But you know what? I'll post a link in the description of this video of my old Lincoln Lafayette video, just so people can see the views. They're breathtaking. Don't you? Yeah. Alright. Let's do what we gotta do. Okay. Leaving the epic views of Lafayette. We're on the old bridle path and we're heading down to the Greenleaf Hut. It's probably where I'll have lunch, take a mini break, and hopefully we'll get out of the clouds and the cold here, losing the elevation.
Yeah, right?
Getting her out early. It's the way to go.
Looks just like Abby, doesn't she?
Well, enjoy the views, because it's not too pleasant at the peaks.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll see what.
Hopefully it blows out. Hopefully you get lucky.
I know, right?
Yeah, you can see the three peaks all in clouds now. It's kind of cool with the cloud line going across. Here, as you can see, all the other 4,000s. It's like a perfect day. See up on cannons in the clouds. So, pretty cool. There's the Greenleaf Hut right there. We'll just stop there for lunch about 11 o'clock. Get there about 11:15. Really nice. Kankamangas Highway. Pretty cool. Yeah, we salvaged some views. Don't you? Come, Bubs.
Kind of a bigger version of him, huh? Hi.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Chewy.
Hi, Chewy.
Hi, Chewy. Be a good boy, don't be a brute.
He's got his little GoPro.
Right, found a little place out of the wind, having a nice little snack, taking a little breather before we get back on the trail. It's a really nice hut, the Greenleaf Hut. It's big. Well, that's it. Snack time. Just leaving the hut, had a nice snack, ordered up, back on old bridle path. Coming up on some views. It's a gnarly little area right here. still in the clouds, both peaks. Haystack isn't as Lincoln. Can't even see Lafayette. No, this is it right here. I think actually the picture's in our intro to our videos. Yeah, that's the one. Good stuff. It's good stuff when you don't have the clouds, you get to see all the peaks. But just gorgeous in front of us. Seeing all the way down the Kankamangas Highway, just all the mountains. Coming up on a nice little water crossing, which is good because Chewy's feet were all muddy from the hut. And now we can rinse them off before we get into the vehicle. That's a win-win. Yeah, that's the trail. It's nice though. We gotta be close to the connector now that we're back near the water. So not too much further. Yeah, get a drink, Bubba. Get back on the trail. All right. Here's where we started. Falling Waters. And we made it. Exit. All right. That completes the loop. Feels good. Knees feel good. Life is good, as the old man would say. Not Chewy. All right. Well, that's about it. That completes. I think we just got a. Not even 2/10 of a mile right here, and we'll be back to the vehicle. So hopefully be back up here in a couple weeks and do a hike with my buddy Alex, and that should be fun. I looking forward to it. Be a nice another hike in the mountains. So should I say another hike in New Hampshire? I don't know where we're going yet, but that's about it for this hike. So for me and Chewy, happy trails. We'll see you next time. Be safe out there. Have fun. Right, Bubba? Yeah, go bold.